This is the Fear of God Essentials Converse. What's up guys, it's Gavin and welcome back to my channel. Today we will do an unboxing and review of the different colorways of the Fear of God Essentials Converse. But before we begin, I would like to give a huge shout out to Rose Gold and Black for sending this bracelet over. Go check them out at rosegoldenblack.com. And with that being said, let's get on with the unboxing. These are the different Fear of God Essentials Converse. I got each pair from a different release. I got this pair last year when they first released. I got this pair earlier this year when I went to the US. And I got this pair last month. I'd like to give a huge shout out to Soul Academy for releasing these. Although I didn't win the raffle, I'm still glad that they brought this brand over to the Philippines. I got all these three from Pacsun and it was really difficult getting each one. I got these two online and I had to stay up late to get them because of the time difference between the US and the Philippines. When I visited the US earlier this year, I went to Pacsun to shop for some essentials pieces and the guy there told me that they didn't have any left. However, he said that they did have the essential sneakers. It was crazy because they had a raffle in order for you to get these sneakers. After that, I asked him if they had a size 10. He said yes, and then the rest was history. For this limited edition collection, Fear of God founder Jerry Lorenzo delivers a refined take on the Chuck 70 through his Essentials line. The new Chuck 70, through thoughtful materials, a considered colored palette, and subtle design, proves to be an essential to any wardrobe. Just put the others here and we will start off with the first one that I got. This is the first pair that I got and I've already used it a couple of times. Comes with two laces, one black one and one natural one. And the shoe comes with white laces. If you're planning to get these, since there will be a restock soon, please don't forget to get a half size or one size lower than the normal size that you wear, because these run pretty big. This is the natural colorway and it comes with the extra long white laces and it looks pretty similar to the classic Chuck 70, but what makes this different is the heel loop that it has so that you can wrap around the extra long white laces or these laces around it to give it that edgy look. Another unique feature about these Fear of God Essentials Converse is how the patch on the left sneaker was replaced with the Fear of God Essentials logo, while the one on the right was left untouched. While the rest of the sneaker is pretty much the same as the classic Chuck 70. And now let's get on with the next pair, which would be the gray pair. Let's also take a quick look at the box. In the front, you have the Converse Essentials on top, sizing in details, Essentials, nothing on this side, and there you have it. So this is how it looks like when you get them. I haven't used mine yet, which is why they still look fresh. They come in the natural colored laces and it also comes with the gray laces which are tied inside. The features are exactly the same as the previous pair except that the toe box here has a cream color, the tongue has an off-white color, and the entire upper is gray. Same outsole, same medial side, same heel loop, and same patch. Now, we'll move on to the black pair. Here we go. It comes with the same box, however I'm pretty disappointed with what I got because the box cover was slashed. I mean, it's not a big deal, but I'm just glad that they didn't slash the shoes. This is my favorite color among the three because it is the easiest to match with almost any attire. It comes in the natural colored laces, and it comes with the natural colored laces. Its features are exactly the same, but the only difference is the color on the toe box, the tongue, and the upper. So you have the same outsole, the same medial side, same heel loop, and same patch. These are essential sneakers to have in your rotation. And comment down below which is your favorite Fear of God Essentials Converse among the three. If you're planning to get these, Pacsun will have a restock soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below your favorite colorway among the three Fear of God Essentials Converse. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.